A report template can have any number of layouts, and each layout can render the report in a different way. So it takes the same data, but shows it differently within the report. So one might have a different title or different boilerplate text. It's up to you. We can add as many layouts as you want and customize them however you want. Most of our reports have some default layouts that we'll add to your account, but if you need extra layouts, you just let us know and we can create them for you. So this report that I'm looking at now doesn't have a layout selected. You can tell because the view report button is not blue, it's grey. If we try to view the report, it's going to prompt us to choose a layout and then we'll be able to view it. When I click the view report button for the first time, it'll prompt me to select a layout because none has been selected yet. I'll select the refurbishment survey layout from the drop-down and click Save. As soon as I've done this, the view report button will turn blue because the system now knows how to display the report. Anytime we now view the report, it's going to use that refurbishment survey layout to render it. The report preview is now loaded using the layout that we chose. And if we scroll down to the title section, you can see it says asbestos refurbishment survey because we chose that refurbishment survey layout. Now, because this is a full survey report, you can see it runs on to many, many pages, as you can see from the table of contents here. Now, this is just one way to display the data that you collected on the site. If you change the layout, then the report will render differently. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to close this report preview, and I'm going to change the layout now. From this screen on the dashboard, you can change the layout by tapping the Edit Report button. Remove the current layout from the Layout field and select the new layout. I'm going to select this Samples for Lab layout because it's going to render that report in a very different way. Now I just tap the View Report button to display the report once again. This time we're viewing the report with the Samples for Lab layout. And as you can see, the report looks completely different. That's because this layout is designed so you can issue information to the laboratory, not the client. Now it's using the same data as the other report, but it's presenting it in a completely different way. So this report just has a single page and a single table. I hope that's given you a good understanding of how layouts work. Remember, each template can have multiple layouts, and each of those layouts can render the report in a completely different way, as I showed you here with the Samples for Lab layout. Now your layouts can be customized specifically for you, and we can even add new layouts for you if you want. You just have to let us know what you need and we can do that for you. And remember, once you've selected a layout, it's not set in stone. You can always go back to the dashboard, edit the report and change the layout to render the report in a different way.